Hazel? Can you say hi?
Can you catch? Ready?
Hazel.
Ready?
Ready.
Hazel, can you wave hi? Hi.
Let's build a tower.
Let's look at pictures. What do you see?
I want to build a tower instead.
Go build a tower.
What?
Having your bonk's funny head.
What's on this page?
I
Yeah.
nice to bonk your head.
Okay.
What do you see?
I want a ball.
Yeah, ball. Very good. Mm-hmm.
A ball.
That's a flower.
Right, Dad. That's
What's that?
not right. Bang.
What's that?
Can you just duck?
That's right.
All right.
Either.
What's this
I'll
one?
let you do it. Eleanor. Go ahead.
Bang.
Make it right.
What's that?
Bang.
Boat. What's that?
Bang.
Baby.
Order.
What's that?
Bang.
Baby. Let's see. What else do you see?
Bang.
What's that?
Can you do it right?
Baby.
Can you just do it right?
What's this?
Bio.
That's right. We know about that, don't we?
Do it right.
What about this?
Boom.
Spoon. And this?
Boom.
What's that?
There you go.
Bio.
No. What's that?
You build
Apple.
a tower. You build a tower.
What else?
Build a tower.
Yeah. What's this?
Build a tower.
Well, you gotta help.
Geese.
Keys. Very good. What else? Oh, what's this?
Bang.
Baby.
Bang.
Mm-hmm.
And
Kitty. What's Kitty say?
geese.
What's she say?
Geese.
Meow.
Mom.
Meow.
And geese.
What's that?
Bang.
What is that?
Bang.
You know what that is? Doggy.
And daddy.
That's right.
Hey, he goes there. He goes there.
Yeah?
Knows how we say doggy right. And then bang.
Yeah, that's a zebra. Who's that over there?
Bang.
Who's that?
Big daddy.
Daddy.
And big daddy.
Hi, Hazel.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
knocked over the
Here,
tower.
Hazel. Can you fix it? Can you fix
Sorry,
it?
Eleanor.
Tower.
I know. Little sisters. Did you build a nice big tower?
No, I tried to, and he don't knocked it over.
Oh, we can try again another time. It's down. Yeah, that's
How'd
what
that
happens.
happen? How'd it fall down?
Down. Dress off. Dress off. Dress off.
Yeah. Why don't you build a tower with it?
No.
Go on, do it. There you go.
Why don't you whistle and see what happens, honey? Ah! Don't hit.
You shouldn't hit people.
Don't hit.
Hazel. Don't hit.
Roar.
Okay, she doesn't mind this
Too,
time.
too much going on for her to notice.
I think he was whistling.
Mm-hmm. Daddy was whistling.
Oh, this one's too little. We don't want the little ones. We want the big ones.
Little one. Good job, Hazel. Is it up? Careful. Oh. Is it up, Hazel?
Little ones don't go on there.
Okay. Hazel, is it up?
Uh-oh.
I don't.
Down. Yeah.